Good morning to everyone. Today we learn recording of blood pressure. Before starting our experiment, I want to discuss some terminology and theories related to blood pressure. So what is blood pressure? Blood pressure is the lateral pressure exerted by moving blood column on the wall of artery. Please attention, I am saying lateral pressure exerted by moving blood column on the wall of arteries. Basically, moving blood column has two components of pressure, lateral pressure and dynamic pressure. Dynamic pressure propels the blood forward and lateral pressure is exerted on the wall of artery which is measured during measurement of blood pressure. So there are two types of blood pressure, systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure. What is systolic blood pressure and what is diastolic blood pressure? As we know, cardiac cycle has two phases, systolic phase and diastolic phase. In systolic phase, left ventricle ejected some blood in aorta. Systolic blood pressure is maximum when blood is ejected maximally from left ventricle during systolic phase. In diastolic phase, semilunar valve of left ventricle is closed and blood is not coming from left ventricle. So from where diastolic pressure is coming? In diastolic phase, blood is not coming from heart and aorta. Elasticity of aorta and large vessels and the peripheral resistance create a pressure. It is called diastolic blood pressure. So it is minimum pressure during cardiac cycle. Now we discuss the factors maintain circulatory blood pressure. These are five. Number 1, contractility of heart. Number 2, elasticity of aorta and large arteries. Number 3, peripheral resistance. Number 4, circulatory volume. And number 5, viscosity of blood. So when contractility of heart is decreased, the blood pressure cannot be maintained. You can see in heart failure, blood pressure is come to lower. In old age, elasticity of aorta and large arteries decrease, the blood pressure is increased. In dehydration, the circulatory blood volume decrease and blood pressure is decreased. When the viscosity of blood is increased, the blood pressure is also increased. It is seen in polysthenia. Now, range of normal blood pressure. Normal range of systolic blood pressure is 110 by 130 mmHg, millimeter mercury. It is a unit of blood pressure. And range of diastolic blood pressure is 70 to 85 mmHg. The systolic blood pressure more than 130 and less than 140, and diastolic blood pressure less than 90 and more than 85. It is called pre-hypertensive state. The systolic blood pressure is more than 140 and diastolic blood pressure more than 90 mmHg, called hypertension. Now pulse pressure. Pulse pressure is the difference of systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure. Now mean arterial pressure. During cardiac cycle, blood is changing from diastolic to systolic continuously. So mean arterial pressure is a mean of blood pressure. Mean arterial pressure is diastolic blood pressure plus pulse pressure upon 3. Now we discuss the normal variant of blood pressure. The blood pressure is not constant all time and in all individuals. So now we discuss about the normal variants of blood pressure. First is, according to age, blood pressure is different in different age group. A newborn has 40 mmHg blood pressure and it attains 70 mmHg blood pressure within 2 weeks. As age increased as well as blood pressure is also increased. Now sex, blood pressure is slightly lower in females, near about 8 to 10 mmHg. Diurnal, blood pressure is changed according to duration of day. The highest level of blood pressure reached afternoon. then blood pressure slightly lower. In pregnancy, blood volume increase, so blood pressure is also increased. After meal and digestion, blood pressure slightly go lower side because the blood is run to intestine and the peripheral blood pressure is increased. Emotional stress is very important factor and it affect very much to blood pressure. In emotional stress, the blood pressure is rise. Some people are emotionally disbalanced. When come to hospital, they see nurses, doctors, and atmosphere over hospital. The blood pressure is rise. It is called white coat hypertension. Sleep. During sleep, the basal metabolism is decreased and the sympathetic tone is decreased, so blood pressure is decreased. Exercise. The sympathetic tone is increased in exercise, so blood pressure is also increased. The principle of recording blood pressure. The principle of recording blood pressure is same as you hear S1, S2 heart sound during cardiac cycle. When the blood is passed from mitral valve and tricuspid valve, you hear S1 and S2. Same principle is applied when you recording blood pressure. When you occult ART by cuff, you hear sounds S1, S2 at cubital fossa. The occult of ART is a situation like blood passing from tricuspid valve and mitral valve. And you hear S1 and S2 sound. Loop dup. The instrument used in measurement of blood pressure. There are two instruments used in measurement of blood pressure. Number one, stethoscope and BP instrument. It is stethoscope. It has three parts: ear frame, connecting tube, and chest piece. The use of ear frame. The knob was inserted in ear. The direction of this knob is medially and anteriorly. So these are properly fitted in our ear. If the direction of ear knob is posteriorly and medially, it will be not comfortable to hear sound. So always see before using of your stethoscope, the direction of ear knob should be anteriorly and medially. Place your ear knob in your ear, and this is chest piece. When you are using this, you tap here and you hear some voice in your ear. When you turn this, you cannot hear from here and you will hear from bell side. It is called diaphragm, it is bell. Mainly three types of BP instruments are used: sphygmomanometer or mercury manometer. It is an electronic BP instrument and it is aneroid BP instrument. Now we start to measure the blood pressure. It is our instrument. Open the instrument by this screw. It is a lid. It is graduated mercury tube. It is reservoir, mercury reservoir. It is lever of the cuff and it is connected to. It is screw and it is air pump. It is a stethoscope. Before measurement of blood pressure, we should discuss precautions. The first precaution is the subject should be relaxed and quiet. Sometimes a patient enters in the hospital and the blood pressure rises after seeing the atmosphere of hospital or doctors, nurses, etc. It is called white coat hypertension. So to avoid white coat hypertension, at least 5 minutes should be given before starting measurement of BP. Now, type of cuff, heart, and instrument should be same level, and the cuff should be tied above 2.5 or 3 centimeters above elbow joint. Cuff should not be too tight or too loose, and one finger should be inserted. Connecting connecting tube should be medially placed. There are two methods of blood pressure measurement: palpatory method and auscultatory method. So palpatory method should be used first to avoid auscultatory gap. Place the Place the chest piece of stethoscope medially, and it should not be pressed much. Tight the screw and start to pump. And the relief where note the reading where you are hearing sound, and note the reading again when the sound is disappear. It should be taken also precautions that tight cuff should not be hold for long period, because it can cause spasm of artery or muscle. It can falsely rise the blood pressure. Alternate arterial pulse. It is radial artery and alternate here arterial pulse. Again pump air and go up to 200. Then slowly release air and note where the sound is appear. It is systolic blood pressure. In palpatory method, systolic blood pressure is recorded only. Diastolic blood pressure cannot be recorded. For diastolic blood pressure, we use auscultatory treatment. So at least 3 readings should be taken, and the mean of 3 readings is a blood pressure of your subject.